Fred, how are you? I'm going on a cancer hunt today. I'm going to find my new toy kitty. Do you know what cancer hunt is? It's when you find clues. Look, I have the first one. Now open it. Will you trust? And what kitty is having a plan? Where do you think that is? I know, bathroom! Wow, it's a ladybug. Look at all these ducks. Wow, look at this pink one. I like it. Look, it's my second clue. Your kitty loves to play, so Todd, well, your toys are every day. Where do you think that is? I know, in the playroom. Peekaboo, where's the clue? Hey, this is my short clue. Your kitty might be hungry now, so show the place where snacks hide. Where do you think that is? Bear, do you know where that is? I know, it's kitchen! Let's go, friends! Where's the clue? I love pizzas, but there's no clue. Look, this is my final clue. Open it. Where you run and bring your kitty. Wait. I know, princess.